How to fix archive stories missing or not working on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find a Fin option. Navigate to the Profile option. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Here, you're going to find a Fin option. Click on the option of Archive. Now, over here, you're going to find all of your archives, stories, or posts. Clicking on this drop down, you can set it to post or stories. In case you are not able to find over here, what you have to do is head back, scroll down, navigate to the option archiving and downloading. Enable for these options save story to archive, save live to archive. With this, now whenever you upload story or post, it will be stored to the archive. If still archive stories are missing, what you have to do is update your Instagram. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, launch it, navigate to settings and activity, then scroll down, click on the option help, click on report a problem, click on report problem without shaking, click on don't include and continue. And here you have to briefly explain about the issue that archive stories are missing or not working and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. This is how you can fix archive stories missing or not working on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.